Virtual reality is great, but foggy lenses can be a major irritant to the pleasure of playing. It's Tech Dad, and I have a solution for you. This facial interface with big air vents will keep your lenses from fogging up. This product was provided by KIWI Design for free. However, I do always honest reviews on this channel, and I didn't do all KIWI Design products reviews because some of them I don't like. The vents that you see here are the reason to buy this product, and the noise guard is pretty good at blocking light. If you want to buy this product after watching this review, please go to Amazon using my links. It will help this channel. In the box, you will find two foam pads that are the same thickness. It's about medium thickness. It's more thick than what you could find on this product for the Quest 1. It's much better, but you can find more comfortable face pads on products like the VR cover facial interface, for example. Also in the box, a thick cotton lens protector to protect against dust, scratch, and sun when you don't use your Quest 2. And finally, the instructions. The installation process is easy, but it can be quite, I will say, finicky to have a perfect fit. The pad seems a little bit big at first on the facial interface, but if you take your time and you do it right, you will be able to install it correctly. So I will compare the KIWI Design with the VR cover. This is the cover that I use typically. There is some small vents, but nothing like the KIWI Design. The VR cover is the most comfortable facial interface that I have tried on my Quest 2 or on my Quest 1. But the vents on the KIWI Design is a game changer for me when I do active VR playing, like, I don't know, a game like Beat Saber or 11 Table Tennis. When I play in my basement in Canada, where it's cold but still a bit humid, on the VR cover, my lenses will fog up a little bit. It's not as bad as with the standard facial interface that comes with the Quest 2, but still it's irritating. And it was the same on the Quest 1, but the KIWI Design facial interface on the Quest 1 was not that comfortable. It was a degradation compared with the VR cover, a big one. But here it's almost like 90% of the VR cover on the Quest 2. It's a very good product. However, you have to know that if you have glasses, this product won't work with the glasses spacer that comes with the Quest 2. And that's very unfortunate, and it is the main reason for some bad reviews online. But if you don't have glasses, the vents on this KIWI Design facial interface will definitively keep your lenses from fogging up. Thank you, it was Tech Dad. See you next time. Ciao!